Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says sum of all the solution of the equation this is. So, we have to find out the sum of all solutions. So it is greatest integer function. So, you should understand this property that we can split any number into the combination of greatest integer and fractional part. Also, if you are dealing with greatest integer function, suppose you have to deal with greatest integer function and there is some constant k which is written in terms of plus or minus, you can take that k outside. Okay, so these properties we will use over here. Now if you'll observe, we guys can write down this question as box x upon box of x minus 2 minus box of x minus 2 on box of x, 8 fractional x 12 upon box x minus 2 box x. Now for time being, if you don't mind, can I consider box x as A and fractional x as B so that it could look little bit simpler? I will take LCM. So LCM will go this way. A minus 2 into A. So it is A square then minus A minus 2 whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB equals 8 fractional x fractional, sorry, I'll take it as B, 8b plus 12 upon a minus 2a. Now a minus 2a will be neutralized, we will be left with this a will be neutralized, we will be left with 4a minus 4 and this 12 will come this side, so it will become plus 12, so it is 8b. Now can I write down 8b as 4 box x minus 16 by 8? Just tell me. Now you know that the fractional part function ranges from 0 to 1. So this means what? This means that the RHS component will also range in that value. So 0, 4 box x minus 16 by 8 less than 1. Can I multiply all side by 8? So 0 less than equal to 4 box x minus 16 less than 8. Now I will add 16 both side, all side. 16, 4 box x 24. Now I'll divide by 4. So 4 greatest less than equal to greatest integer x less than equal to 6. Now you know that it is integer. So integer, which integer will be valid? It is 4 and 5. Okay, so x will be equal to 4 to 6. Yes, no. Now we have to find out the x. Suppose case 1. Suppose case 1, if suppose x is ranging from 4 to 5. Okay, so x is ranging from 4 to 5. 5 is no, 4 is yes. Okay, so this is your case 1. So if you'll focus here, the box function will become 4 and the moment box x will become 4, so it is 4 4 is 16, 16 minus 16 0. So fractional part x becomes 0 and it is possible in this room only if x equals to 4. So first x you got as 4. Now case 2. If x is ranging from 5 to 6, 5 is yes, 6 is no. So greatest integer function will become 5. So 20. 20 minus 16, 4. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. And here if you want 1 by 2 means 0.5, you should use x as 5.5. Then only you will have 1 by 2. So these are the x. Okay, so sum of the solution becomes 9.5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.